GoogAI. Hey there, welcome to my GoogAI review. This is an interesting ChatGPT style chatbot, which instead is actually powered by Google Bard. So it's Google's version of ChatGPT, if you like, and you get access to Google Bard inside the members areas of GoogAI. So I'll do a quick review video on how that works. My name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income on the internet with digital marketing. I've been doing this for over 10 years now, so hopefully my experience in this industry will help you out as you research GoogAI. Before we dive in, if you click the link in the video description below, you can discover my #1 recommended online system to plug into right now. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, building up your own email list and earning a realistic income on the internet with internet marketing. So click the link below for my #1 recommended online system. So GoogAI, basically in the members area, you are able to use Google Bard yourself. So I believe Google Bard is available for some people to use, but there's a queue and it's in beta tester mode at the moment. So you may have to join a waiting list in order to get access to it. So if you're unable to get access to Google Bard for free, normally by going to the Google Bard website, you can buy this product called GoogAI and use it as part of the members area, because I presume this product vendor has purchased the license rights to use Google Bard and hook up to their API and then offer that service to their clients that buy the GoogAI product. So basically it operates as a ChatGPT style chatbot in the same way ChatGPT does, but it's from Google Bard. You can change the tone of the reply in terms of what tone the voice bot responds to you in. That could be helpful if you're writing SEO articles and blog posts and content to change the tone of that. And there's also some playback voice where you can get it to read it back to you, although that doesn't seem to be working for me at the moment. So you can use this in the same way as you can use ChatGPT to create articles and blog posts, reviews, scripts, headlines, ads, whatever you want with text. You can use GoogAI to do that for you with Google Bard. The one benefit of Google Bard apparently over ChatGPT is that it is able to get real-time access to internet data in real time, and it can browse the web and extract information from web browsing. So the disadvantage of ChatGPT is it's programmed with old data. I believe around 2021 is the last date that it received data, so you can't get it to you can't query it with trending topics or get it to search the internet. You have to use ChatGPT using its outdated inputs up to around 2021. So if you want real-time analysis of the internet and web pages, then Google Bard is better for that. So that's the advantage of Google Bard at the moment over these ChatGPT style services, is the ability to browse the internet. I did a bit of testing around trying to get it to browse the internet and give me search engine listings and rankings. It didn't seem to match up exactly to what I was searching for manually. I got it to search the ClickFunnels website and give me the heading for it. The heading it returned wasn't quite the same. Maybe it was getting the meta tags or H1 tag instead of the actual page content here. And I asked it to extract all the headlines from this page as well. And it gave me some useful headlines and the same sort of structure as this page, but it didn't match exactly. So I'm skeptical this is actually properly browsing websites and web pages based on the URLs you're giving it. It seems to be giving me kind of correct information, but not exactly based on what the web is displaying. So I'm slightly skeptical this is properly browsing the internet, but I'm not experienced with Google Bard, so I'm not sure on the best way to prompt it as such. There's not much additional information in the members area. This training section is at the moment is just pointing to a demo video on Vimeo. Hopefully they'll bulk out that training session to train you how to use prompts and how to get this going with specific internet marketing projects, how to do keyword research and content generation. So you've got much more of a game plan in place. So I hope they will add to that training section, because at the moment it's just showing a product demo, which is not much training. They're just showing how to use the software. But the typical beginner is not going to know how to make money with this software unless they have a proper internet marketing game plan in place to actually use the content it generates, to use it to help research things and create a marketing plan of action. That needs to be in the training, not just a demo on how to use the software, because your typical beginner coming in may figure out how to use the software, but they're not going to know how to use the output. They've got a number of reviews from customers on the GoogAI website. I'm always skeptical when you've got these boxes of stock images or professional looking photos and then 5 stars right across the board. I get the impression these could be generated with AI or using stock photos. So I'm always skeptical on these testimonial boxes where they're all just 5 stars. And I don't really recognize these people from the internet marketing world. They claim it's 3 simple steps to use GoogAI, just to log into the members area, generate text with the chatbot, and then profit. But in order to publish and profit on this last bit, you're going to need to know what to do with the text. You're going to need to know what keywords to target in the search engines, which websites to put your content onto, just how to use the content and prompting to make it work. So more in-depth training on the prompts and the type of internet marketing projects you could use for this, or even resell on Fiverr.com or Upwork. There's going to need to be more in-depth training than what was in the demo members area just now, than just access to the software. So in summary for this GoogAI review, it's useful if you want to use Google Bard but can't access it for free, or there's a waiting list, or if it's not available for you in your area right now. You can simply use GoogAI to access Google Bard style chatbot. But for some beginners, they may struggle to know exactly what to do with the chatbot once they've gained access to it. This could be more for experienced marketers who know how to use the content and know how to use the chatbot to do research for their existing projects. If you want to discover how I go about earning a full-time income on the internet in a very newbie-friendly manner, and I've been doing this for over 10 years, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description. You can discover my #1 recommended online system. It's a complete done-for-you system to plug into, and it's a really cool way to get going, getting traffic, building your email list, and working up at building up that realistic online income. So click the link below for my top online system. Thanks again for checking out my GoogAI review. All the best, and speak soon.